Bit of a cold start. While she warms up, let's go ahead and get our area prepped up and ready to start. There we go. Keep that on the side. Jack is now off to the side. Get our handy dandy impact. Get ourselves a nice 17 millimeter. When you own a BMW, you tend to keep specialty tools that you use a lot in certain areas. This isn't a specialty tool, obviously. I'm just saying shit. All right, that should be ample amount of time for it to just sit in the garage after this happens. So fingers crossed this fix works. There we go. Get this bad boy in the garage. And we are in, just like that. And she's in. Before we get started, let me explain what is happening with this car. So right now, that wheel is not like, you know, like this. Instead, it's like this. So it's a little loose, and because it's hub-centric, if I put the wheel on there without the lugs centering it, I can accidentally put it up like this. And every time the car drives, it's up by that one hump. All right, pause with that movement. What? So because of that, we need something called hub-centric rings to change that that difference. So let's take a look at these rings real quick that I just got. Look at the difference. 0.7 millimeters of difference, 0.7, 0.6, give or take. That's the difference that is causing me to have vibration issues. So hopefully this will... no. Ah, it's bent. I called it too. I knew one of these were gonna be bent. Dang. All right, whatever. We gotta do what we gotta do. So we're just gonna go ahead and jack up the car. Yeah, we're jacking up this ride. Oh wait, are you unlocked? Yeah, you're unlocked. Yeah, another fun fact, if you don't unlock certain BMW models, when jacking them up, they have an lift alarm. So the moment the car starts to feel like it's being lifted, it starts blaring for its mommy, or its daddy in this case, because that's me. I'm daddy. You guys still have been working out? Look at those forearms. All right, anyway. All right, we got the gloves on now. We got the impact. Okay. We're gonna get a thumbnail or something. I don't know. We're about to find out if this works or not. So let's get started. And now it is. Now it's off the hub. Huh. All right, there we go. So that's one wheel off. So let's go ahead and put that hub-centric ring on there. Oh, it's like that. Am I an idiot? I'm an idiot. Oh no, I'm an idiot. Okay. Well, now that I know how these rings work, I'm actually stupid. All right, we have to delicately put these on. This is such a minimal difference. Look at that. I'm literally bending it by just pushing it in. That's how delicate these are. Okay. Let's see how this goes. Man. This is what I get for not watching YouTube videos on this. What the heck? It's working. Sorry, excuse me. I'm normally breaking my back to make this thing fit. Oh my God, it just fits so snugly. It's not even a joke. Let's hope this is actually the culprit behind the issue that I'm having. We'll go from there. Wow, that's just going in. Not a single one of them had to be readjusted. Okay, that's in. Okay, let's go jack this car down nice and slow. All right, could have been slower, but whatever. There we go. That's probably bad for the mechanism in there, but that don't go in there. That don't go in there. There we go. That's better. Actually, we'll go with more extension. I know that's technically not good to do, but a lot of things aren't good to do in this channel, and We don't give. Let's torque these down. Sweet, they're torqued. Come on. Come on. Whoa, what? Uh-oh. Whoa, that ain't good. All right. That ain't good at all, guys. What the hell? What's gone? What's going on? Well, update. After the battle I just dealt with, nothing worked. Even moved the car to get it centered better, and that didn't work either. So in the meantime, we're gonna leave this as is for this wheel. We're gonna do the other two wheels, and we're gonna run an AutoZone, buy a big breaker bar, and try that. All right, let's get these off. There we go, that one's off. Same thing again, let's go get that ring. Put that on there lightly. Look at that. It's a little loose, it's not supposed to be, but it's because it's off. All right, there we go. So that one's in. And we're gonna try again. Get these in. Same thing. What a weird thing to have such a small difference cause this much of an issue. What did I just do? There we go, that's in. I'm not gonna lie, that other side's kind of worrying me, but I have had this issue in the past. Last time I took it to Jiffy Lube to just have them crack it open. This one really nice employee got that taken care of for me. So I think what I'm gonna do, put that wheel back together, take it to Jiffy super fast, have him crack it open again, go from there. And the reason why he was able to do it, he had a super long breaker bar. This is the longest breaker bar I own, besides the torque wrench I have, and torque wrench is not a breaker bar, so I'm not risking that. Whew. I'm getting too old for this. No God. Never mind, guys. So we got two wheels to go take care of now. All right, bit of a jump. Sorry about this jump in the video, but Jiffy Lube are actual homies, bro. They just let me borrow this big breaker bar that I definitely should purchase, but I haven't, and I don't know where to get this from. What is this brand? Power Torque. Yo, Power Torque, you made an incredible breaker bar. We're gonna take this home real quick, break off those nuts that were having issues with seizing. We're gonna drive with hazards all the way back. Now watch how easy this is gonna break. Well, it won't be easy, but it'll be easier. Broken open. Wait, why is the handbrake not on? There we go. Handbrake's now on. Make it even easier for us. Look at that. Just popping off. Bam! Not even a problem. Oh, what's this? Oh, wait, never mind. This one's kind of hard to do. Okay. Easy. Not even a problem, man. What a cool little tool. Just saved my back from having an additional 7 years of pain without a problem. Oh my God. Love this thing. Speed run jacking this car up. Okay. There we go, it's up. Wait, what? I can't count. That's 4. Right? No, 5. Oh my God. All right. I'm losing it. Same thing. Delicately put this on in the back. There we go. She is seated. And back on you go. Oh yeah. And she's in just like that. And then let's torque these down lightly with this one, since I'm too lazy to go get the other breaker bar. One. I don't know how to speak Spanish. Come on, car. Oh wait, what am I doing? Gotta break all the nuts first. Let's break these nuts off. Ooh. 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 Wow. Oh yeah, bro. Oh yeah, bro. Get that workout in. Get that pump going. JK. Easy. Mother. I meant to say I love my lovely mother. I was not making a curse word. All right. Takey, 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 takey. Okay, last ring, guys. Last ring. Last ring to be seated. I proudly call you husband and wife. Beautiful. See, that one's not even moving. And that's precisely why you gotta do it by hand. It was off by like 0.00000. Off by like 0.0000002 millimeters. And because of that off, it would cause me to have to break out that breaker bar again. So, not here, partner. This should be the solution to my vibration issue. And in other words, this car should be back online after this. Yeah, guys, don't do what I do, just watch. All right, that's the beauty of this YouTube channel. No matter how much I mess up, it works. And if it works for me. Tight, 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 tight. She's in. That's it. So let's take her for a drive and see how she feels. All right, we are at 65. And there is vibration. Not crazy, there's still vibration though, which really sucks. All right, chat, nothing has changed. But the one thing that has changed is the steering wheel isn't shaking anymore, but the car is still making like a sound, like a, I don't know how to explain it. Dang, that's a bummer. This is ridiculous. And if I cannot get these to stop vibrating the way they are, then these wheels will be for sale. All right, well, I'm gonna wrap it up from here. It is what it is. I mean, we tried, guys. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please leave a like, subscribe, and comment on anything that I can do better in the next video. And I hope you guys check out my other videos as well. Stay safe out there.